Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, where we bring you inside the world's most beautiful and inspiring luxury homes. Today's episode is truly special as we explore a stunning English country estate that perfectly blends timeless character with modern luxury. Set within rolling countryside and surrounded by open green land, this residence offers privacy, elegance, and breathtaking views in every direction. As the drone rises into the sky, the scale and symmetry of this estate immediately capture your attention. The home sits proudly within its expansive grounds, framed by mature trees and manicured lawns. From above, the architecture feels balanced and grand, yet welcoming, an estate designed not just to impress, but to be lived in and enjoyed. This is the kind of setting where mornings feel peaceful and evenings feel unforgettable, a signature experience you expect from American Dream Mansions. Approaching the property, the main entrance sets the tone for what lies inside. Solid wooden doors, classic stone detailing, and refined proportions create a powerful first impression. Stepping into the entrance hall, you're greeted by natural light, generous ceiling heights, and a sense of calm luxury that flows effortlessly throughout the home. Every detail feels intentional, from the finishes to the layout, creating a seamless connection between classic charm and contemporary comfort. The living spaces are designed to feel open, warm, and inviting. Large windows frame picturesque countryside views while filling the rooms with daylight. The living room strikes a perfect balance between elegance and relaxation, making it ideal for quiet evenings or hosting guests. A refined blue and red accent palette adds depth and personality, enhancing the luxury atmosphere without overpowering the space. Moving through the home, the kitchen stands out as both stylish and highly functional. Designed for modern living, it features premium appliances, sleek surfaces, and a spacious central island that naturally becomes the heart of the home. Whether it's casual family breakfasts or entertaining friends, this kitchen delivers beauty and practicality in equal measure. Nearby, the dining area offers an elegant setting where long meals and special moments can be shared, all while enjoying stunning views of the surrounding landscape. For entertainment and relaxation, the TV lounge provides a cozy yet sophisticated retreat. Soft lighting, comfortable seating, and a cinematic feel make it the perfect place to unwind. The home also offers dedicated spaces for work, wellness, and personal reflection, including a peaceful prayer room that brings a sense of balance and tranquility into daily life, an often overlooked luxury that adds real depth to the home. The private gym continues the theme of thoughtful design, allowing wellness to be part of everyday living without ever leaving home. Bright, modern, and energizing, it's a space that motivates and inspires. Meanwhile, the garage is more than just storage. It's clean, spacious, and designed to accommodate luxury vehicles with ease. Upstairs, the bedrooms feel like private sanctuaries. Each room is generously sized, filled with natural light, and finished to an exceptional standard. The primary suite, in particular, offers a hotel-style experience with refined textures, calming tones, and a sense of privacy that makes it the perfect place to recharge. The bathrooms throughout the home reflect spa-like luxury, featuring modern fittings, elegant materials, and ambient lighting that transforms daily routines into moments of indulgence. Stepping outside, the estate truly comes to life. The gardens stretch out beautifully, offering open lawns, peaceful corners, and scenic views in every direction. A charming swing area invites you to slow down and enjoy the outdoors, while the surrounding land provides space, freedom, and endless possibilities. Whether it's morning walks, family gatherings, or simply enjoying the silence of nature, this outdoor setting elevates the entire property. Homes like this are rare, not just because of their size or beauty, but because of how they make you feel. This estate isn't only about luxury, it's about lifestyle, balance, and timeless elegance. It represents everything we aim to showcase on American Dream Mansions, homes that inspire dreams and redefine what luxury living can be. Thank you for joining American Dream Mansions on this incredible tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know which part of the home captured your heart, and we'll see you soon in the next unforgettable luxury experience.